easy. So most of the time, you don't need to like really know a lot. The first thing is always knowing, first of all, what is going to happen with economic data. So when you look here, traders, when you look at the previous NFP drops, you're going to see that we had this right here. Where is it? Let's see, where is non-farm payrolls? Let me refresh this. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, right here. So when you see, last time we had this was the drop, 227K jobs that were added to the US economy. But before that, the jobs were less. Like the economy was like really doing bad. But now today, the actual is this. Look at the actual. The actual is 160. So meaning here, more people are going to come up here. I mean, less people are going to come up here for the actual. Meaning people have lost jobs. So here, less jobs are going to be added to the US economy. Why am I saying this? Yesterday, what happened? This whole week, the US has been like on rocks. They have lost jobs because of the too much snow drop. We have had also too much. We have had too much fires that happened in LA. So this is going to affect the whole economy. Remember, California is one of the biggest states in the US. If it's affected, it means also the economy is going to be bad. So indicating that here we may have a less number. Remember, if this number right here on the actual comes out less than this, less than the 160, it means that the economy is doing very bad. Guys, it means the economy is going to do very bad, meaning we're going to see gold shoot up. We're going to see gold shooting up. So let's come back here to our chart. Now, this is what we have. Overall, we have been in an uptrend for gold. We have been in an uptrend for gold overall. Price has been moving up overall, as you can see. So this is my analysis that I've been having. I deleted everything. So I had this right here, as you can see. Now, this was a very good point of interest for me when price broke this pattern and went back in, and I started ranging in between. Now, let's zoom into the 1 hour candle. Let's first look at the 4 hour candle. Now, this is a point of interest, guys. Everyone has to take note of. You see this? That is a very good point of interest that everyone has to take right there. There is liquidity lying above that price has to take out. Now, when you zoom in more and more, like this, you can even see we have been having price, moving an uptrend, giving us high highs and high lows. So you can see this. Look at this. You see? So most of the time, we're going to have price move in this direction. I always love to draw this, and then after I'll take it off like this. Let me show you just in a moment. Guys, it's been a lot of time ever since I've done these live sessions, man. It's been so long. So we're marking out every zone that we have in the market. This zone right here is an important one. Price has already broken above here, as you can see. So right now, with NFP, we expect price to just continue pushing up to the upper side. And I'm going to tell you why. First, wait. I'm going to tell you why. So drawing out every zone that we have that is just showing that price has to go up, as you can see. Everything just indicates that price is supposed to, shoot back to the upper side. So this right here, this is like a small pattern that tells you that, okay, price is moving, pushing up to the upper side. And right now it has already exceeded this part right here. So anything may see probably a small pushback down here, and then we see a pump to the upper side. Now, whenever I'm trading this type of, whenever I'm trading NFP, I always love to look at the DXY. I like to look at the DXY. Overall thing is price to push to the upper side, traders. That is overall thing. For price to push to the upper side, we may see a small drop to down here, and then probably we may see price going back to the upper side. So what I'm going to advise you guys is, when you are trading this NFP, let NFP first drop, and then we trade the aftermath. I'm going to repeat this. For you to be on the safer side, let's wait for the drop to happen, and then we can take the aftermath. The aftermath is always the best. What may happen? We may have price push from here to down here, and then we may see it pump back to the upper side. Because remember, this is the first NFP this year. So it's going to be so volatile. It's going to be very volatile. So we may first see price, pump back down here, then go back up. You can even see from these candlesticks that are happening. You see these candlesticks. Most of the time, these are like reversal candlesticks. So you may have price first come down here, pick up some liquidity, and then pump back to the upper side. This is always a two-way thing. We can't rely on one thing, even though we know price where it's going to go. So sometimes when you want to have like a low risk entry point and hold your trade for long, it's better to wait for the NFP to drop and then you take the aftermath. Traders, I'm going to repeat this. Let's wait for price to drop. But again, for those that like scalping, I wouldn't like refuse you guys from scalping. You can scalp, but when you're scalping, mostly there is nothing like using a stop loss, because price will take you out and then price goes your way. Because look at these traders. So we have so many things that have to be taken out. There's this fair value gap. You see this fair value gap? Price has to take it out. And already price has showed you. Look at that. Price has showed it has moved from this angle right here. It has come here. We had a turning point right here. This turning point. Now price has started moving up in an upward way, telling us that anytime soon we may have price reverse back and take out this fair value gap right here. So again, we may have price again push up here. So it's either way. If we don't have a spike like up and down, we may have price either coming down or coming up here, take out the fair value gap. But I know if it's come down here, it's going to come down to grab some liquidity and then pump back up here. Because they know everyone is going to be doing what? Everyone is going to be placing their trades, and then they'll put their stop losses here. That's why it's very risky when you're trading NFP. You don't want to take these trades and then you put your stop losses here. They will take them out and then price will go that way right there, as you can see, traders. But also when you look closely, traders, price is supposed to go up, man. Price is supposed to go up, but again, we don't want to be caught up. So let's look at the DXY. We're going to look at all pairs. This is guys, I'm going to be holding these live sessions. Even on weekends, I'm going to be trading live with you guys. I don't want you guys to miss out. Just a moment. Guys, make sure to like the video. Make sure to like the video. Yeah, the dollar right now actually looks weak. Traders, I'll be honest with you, the dollar looks weak, indicating that we may see gold shoot up. For those that are new here, my name is Basil, and I love to trade gold more than any other pair. So one thing you should understand about gold, if you want to trade NFP and you just jump onto it before it drops, you may be caught up. Sometimes NFP is just going to come and clear out market structure. That is the thing with NFP. It will come and clear out market structure. After, probably, listen, now imagine a price comes back up here. Traders, imagine if price comes back up here. Imagine if price comes back up here. Now we shall have 1, 2 tops and then another top right here. You see? So here we can have like a nice reversal pattern, a candlestick pattern, and then probably we can have a very long sell to the downside. Because I told you, traders, in most of the videos I've been telling you, anytime when you see an aggressive buy to the upper side, when you see that aggressive buy to the upper side, and price pushes up here, let's say with one huge candle, or we have 2, 3 big candles up to here, most of the time we're going to have price like really drop big time after, because it will give us like that proper confirmation. These news events just complete structures. Guys, I see 93 people in here. All of you tap the like button, man. Tap the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Most of the time this completes market structure. That is what it does, these news events. And I've been recording every video when I'm trading my NFP, like the trades that I caught, and I've been showing you how NFP affected the market. And most of the time, it has just been completing market structure. That's why I'm saying, when you look closely here, we have this. Look at these traders. You see, we have this. So right now, price has come here. So we expect to come back for a retracement. Exactly right. And then probably we can have this push. You see. Now let me remove this and then put it here. Look at these traders. We may have price pump up, giving us this push here, and then price, when it comes here, it will give us this push. This is what we're looking at here. You see, this is a higher high, then a high low, then again price will pump up back here, giving us another higher high. Now here we may see another small, before price can pump back up. You see, that's why it's better for us to wait for it's better for us to wait for the actual drop, let it happen, and let people lose their money, and then for us we're going to go in. But if you want to scalp it, I'll be honest with you guys. If you want to scalp, stick to the buys. Let's stick to the buys. If you want to scalp, let's stick to the buys. Let me make another thing simpler for you guys. Look at price action. The way price dropped big time like this, you see this? It's almost the same thing we may have when price is going back up here. It's almost the same thing. The way price came down here, we may see the same thing happen right here. So let's look at the DXY. Traders, make sure to like the video. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video. And if you're a beginner trader, man, you see, trading this NFP, it's a suicide. You can't just trade NFP. If you're a beginner trader, I'll be honest with you, that is the worst thing you can do to yourself. These news events, we don't recommend beginner traders to trade them. It will mess up your psychology. You know, it will mess up your psychology. So here's the DXY traders. Now, when you look at the DXY, also the DXY is looking very good. First of all, we have this upper part right here. You can see. So the DXY has also been pumping up. The DXY, as you can see, it has been almost like in an uptrend market, as you can see, traders. It has been an uptrend market. So you can see it has to come and clear out this gap right here. You can already see this gap that has been created right here. Before you can see probably it pumping back to the upper side. So here we may see price, come down here. You can see we have this aggressive, pump to the upper side. Look at this. Look at this aggressive pump to the upper side. And remember, this is the 1 hour candle. I mean, this is the 4 hour candle. Let me switch the 1 hour candle. You see these traders? We have traders. Now, this is actually very nice with this. We have this. We have another tap and another tap here. You see, traders? So this is a triple tap. 1, 2, 3. We may have price come back down onto this spot right here. Because here we have this pump to the upper side, you can see. You see? So meaning price may come back here, fill up these gaps that we have here, before you probably may see price shooting back up. But remember, the DXY has been pumping up for some time. Look at this. You see this? And this is a new year. This is a new year. You see, traders? This is a new year. So don't neglect this pattern right here. This is a reversal pattern to the downside. We may have price probably pump up down here. But guess what? If price pumps down back here, we can have good buys on the DXY. If price pumps like really big time to down here, we can have like really nice pump back to the upper side. Because I told you, we always want to feed off like aggressive buying and aggressive selling in the market, traders. That is actually very easy. You just need to sit back and relax. Wait for price to do its thing. When it gives you those aggressive candles in the market, then we can decide where price is going to go. Because anything that goes up, it has to come down. And anything that comes down, it has to go up. It has to go back up. As simple as that, traders. You see, anything that goes up, it has to reach a time and come back down. So there is no need for us to like really panic and do all these things in the market. You see, traders, let's check the daily time frame for the DXY. You can see the DXY, traders. It has been pumping up. You see, I'm sorry, my chart looks quite dirty. I have like most of these pairs right here. I often choose two pairs. I may have like 3 DXYs so that I can make different analysis and I see how price is going to move. So you can see for the DXY, it has been moving up again in an uptrend, as you can see. Now it has reached this part right here where we have already had a resistance right here. And I told you, anytime when you have this NFP, we are going to have price at a resistance zone. So we already have a resistance right here. And price came back to that zone. So right now, we may have that resistance may be protected and price may just come back down here, right here. You see, traders? So again, When you want to scalp, let's be looking for if you want to scalp, let's be looking for buys on gold and then sells on the DXY. That is what I would recommend. Let's see how many minutes. We have over 30 minutes left for this news event to drop. Most of the time, I start trading this news event when 1 hour has passed. But today, I want to hold those ones that I want to scalp. If you want to scalp, but again, you do this at your own risk, traders. You do this at your own risk. Remember, we can't control this market. We can only control how much we lose. So what I often do most times, you just put money aside on a different account. You put money aside on a different account and trade that. You put money aside in a different account, traders. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, everyone. You put money aside in a different account and then trade that there. You see, traders? Now look at this. When you mark this right here, you see that? That is how we do with what we call price action. You just draw a few technical tools to let you know what price is doing. You see, traders? So this is why I'm expecting price to come down. You see, traders? But again, the analysis that I'm trying to make right now is just to help you guys understand how this thing may play out. But our actual trade is going to be taken after NFP has dropped. When NFP drops like this, then we can have a clear market direction. You see, we're going to have a clear market direction, guys. We're going to have a clear market direction. I'm going to look at all those pairs, the GU. I know most of you guys love to trade GU, all those funny pairs. Let's see. Let's see. This is the DXY. Again, nothing is complicated. Price is at it has been at this. Price has been playing around here. You see, it came back here. It has. You see, so we may have price, pump back down here, because we have like something like this zone right here. You can see this zone right here. This zone was caused to push it up aside. Now we have this pattern right here, indicated we may have price, come back down here. And also this pattern right here, it's a reversal pattern to the downside. It's a reversal pattern to the downside. Guys, make sure to like this video. Make sure to like and comment. So let's look at GU. Let's look at GU. This is our GU trend. This is our GU trend. Again, for this one, price has been in it. Yeah, I'm going to look at every pair, guys. For this, as you can see, I don't trade this pair as much. But for this pair, price has been in a downtrend for some time. So the first thing you always do, traders, just mark out simple market structure. You see, you come here, choose something like this, very easy, parallel channel, and then you can mark it out like this. You see, you can do this very easy. If this is very hard, then you can use the lines. We can use the lines right here to have good these structures right here. As you can see. Now let me zoom out and see where price last tapped. Just in a moment. I'm going to check BTC just a moment. And also for those people that love to trade BTC during the weekends, I'm going to also do these live sessions during the weekend. I'm going to do these live sessions over the weekend also. So this is our 4-hour candle. Just a moment. We always like to use the previous data. This previous data this side. Okay. So traders, this is our current market, as you can see right here. This is our current market. Now, the first thing I want to see is divergency. Let's apply the RSI. RSI, I use it when I want to see divergency. Now, traders, you see we have some divergency right here. As you can see, we have some divergency. So divergence is this gap, is when you have price coming down like this, and then we have the opposite on our indicator. You see, now we have already had price give us this pump to the outside, to the downside. You see this big pump right here. Now, when price was coming down, I want to look out for a few things. This standing point, which already price has given us, and then I want to see if, okay, when is price going to start coming back up? We already have like given some confirmation. Look at this. These two candles right here. These are tweezer bottoms. Tweezer bottoms are always reversal candles to the upper side. Now, the only thing we want to be left with is price closing above this part right here. And then we want to see price come back up and take out these gaps in the market right here. That's what we want to see for GBPUSD. Remember, GBPUSD has been coming down for some time. So with today's NFP, we expect today's NFP to be like really negative. That is what we expect. Today's NFP to be negative. If today's NFP is negative, we may have price, push back up here. So up here, what do we have? We have this zone right here. We have this zone that caused this push down, this push downside, as you can see, right here. So we can mark out this candle right here to indicate that we have like a supply zone up there. Looks like a supply zone right there. So let's do this, traders. This zone right here. So most times people mark out like the full candle like this, as you can see. Now down here, we already had like a turning point here at this zone right here, as you can see. Now, my where is one for this candle, this price to close above at least that zone down there. If price can close above this zone that was created, come on, this is like a resistance that was created. If this candle closes above, and it's going to be the 3 p.m. candle. If this candle closes above here, then we may have now price pumping back up to up here. This is all NFP, guys. Again, you can see there's nothing like really complex here. You see that, traders? Nothing complex. This is just clear market structure. Even to make it more simpler for you guys there, this is an impulsive move in a downtrend market. Even though price is supposed to continue going down, look at this. From here to here, this is an impulsive move. You see these traders? Look at this impulsive move from here. Let's do this one. You see, from here to here, this is an impulsive. Probably may have a retracement. So my retracement can come in even up to like here. You see, traders? And then we can have probably price continuing. So it's not going to go like really up there. You see, but we can't have again price dropping massively from here to go down. If we have that, again, as I told you, you're going to catch the aftermath. You can never be right in this market. You can never be a genius in this market, man. The only thing you can be a genius at protecting your money. A genius at protecting your money. A genius at protecting your money. Let me look at your USD before we look at the other pair. You can even see the Euro USD, guys. You see? Let me check where I have my analysis. Oh. So traders, there is a lot of liquidity that has been created up here that has to be taken out. Literally, even by just drawing a trend line, you can see liquidity that lies above. You can see all this liquidity that lies above. You can see. So again, clear. You can have this, and then now price has come here. So probably may have now price approaching our trend line right here. Again, we have even aggressive drop from here to down here. We have that aggressive drop. You see traders? You can see. So this is all clear push to the upper side. There's no questions to be asked. A clear push to the upper side. You can see traders. This is the opposite of what we have. This is the opposite of what you have on the DXY. One tap, three tap, another tap. You see traders? One tap, three tap. So this is like a triple bottom for this. Indicate that we have price doing the opposite of what the DXY is doing. So we have this. We have this here, and also we have this here. See traders? So we may have price pumping back to the upper side. We may have price pumping back to the upper side. So we're going to be patient today, traders. I'm going to teach you what they call patience. There's no need of you guys jumping into a trade. I don't want you guys to just jump into any trade, just because analysis may even be right. No. We don't want to be taken out by the volatility that comes with NFP. The volatility is always the crazy one. Guys, I see 95 people in here. All of you just drop a like, man. Just drop a like onto this video. Let's share it to more people. Let's share this video to more people. So traders, I want you to see this. Look at this. You see this? Traders, I want you to look at this. Just look at this and look at the DXY. Where is the DXY? Let me show you the DXY. Look at the DXY, traders, and tell me, what do you see? Comment, everyone. First wait. Look at the DXY. What do you see, traders? What do you see? You see the DXY? Look at that. That is the DXY. And look at our Euro USD. Do you see? Whatever this pair is doing is just, we're going to see the opposite on the other side. Whatever this pair is doing, we're going to see the opposite on the other side, traders. Whatever this pair is doing, we're going to see the opposite on the other side. As simple as that. You see? Yes, it's doing the opposite. Meaning, remember, this pair is trading aftermath is what, guys, we are in for the aftermath. The aftermath is going to be a beautiful one. Yeah, it's going to take us time, but at least we can catch money off. But if you want to scalp, trust me, since this is the first NFP this year, it's going to be quite a very, very volatile, man. It's going to be very volatile. Traders, it's going to be very volatile, and you don't want to be caught up. You see? So someone was saying, I look at BTC. Let's first look at BTC. We still have time. We still have time until NFP drops. Let's look at BTC. I already have my BTC here. Let's look at it. Where is it? I've been looking at this USO, guys. Now I want you to see this. Before we go any further, let's look at this USO. So we talked about this. You see this? We talked about this, guys. Anytime when you see an impulsive move to the upper side, price has created a lot of things. The zone that pumps price to go from here to up here. That is what we want. Now, price has reached a time and start coming back down here, because you can't have price just continue to go back to the upper side. You see, every time price moves, it has to reach a time and go the other way around. Let's remove this and put it here. Do you see this is almost the same movement? Do you see that it's almost the same movement? When I remove this from here and put it there, do you see that that is also almost the same movement? Now, let's look at the far side where price made a turn here. Let's look at this far history. Let's look. Someone is saying buying Afros. Guys, you need to buy Afro tokens. And I'm going to tell you why Afro token is currently moving at the level it's moving at right now. I know most of you guys are frustrated because price is not like really moving a lot and all that, but price is going to reach a time and shoot up. Right now, people that own some like 7 million coins are very many, guys. So if the market pumps back today, even me myself, now I wouldn't say me myself because I wouldn't try to pull you guys. But people that own 7 million coins and above, those guys, if one person takes out money, they'll bring back the coin to $3 million market cap. So traders, look at this. You see where price reversed from? That is where price reached at this point right here. So most times when I make my analysis and take my trades, most of you guys say, okay, this is very simple. No, yes, this is very simple, but it takes so much courage and patience. So you see when the last time price reached here, it did a V-shaped structure. Look at that V-shaped structure. It reached, I don't know, what day was this? Let's see. Was this a Friday? This was a Tuesday. Now let's see. Yeah, this was a Tuesday when this happened. You see how price reached up here and then it just dropped big time. Now look at where currently market is. Let's look where current market is. Price has come back to the same exact zone. It has come back there with much momentum. You see, traders? With much momentum. Let's look at the 1 hour candle. You can see, traders. You see that? Price has started pulling back down, but we want to really price pull down. So if I'm taking these trades, I always zoom into the 5 minutes time frame so that I can catch proper entries. Anything that breaks below this level right here. Anything that breaks below this level and market closes below here, traders. I'm going to repeat this. Anything that closes below here, you can take a sell trade on US oil. Anything that closes up below here, you see this zone that is created, this first resistance, this resistance is always created on the higher time frame. Right here, look at this. You see that? It's created there. Now, when price taps that zone there more than 2 times, that becomes a resistance. Now, my main target is price has rejected here. It has rejected here. If price closes below here, I can take a quick trend, and I'm going to be placing my stop loss above here. I'll put my stop loss there, and I'm going to target this zone right here. I can target actually even up to here, but if I want, I can target here, because the way price goes up, it's the same way price is going to come down like big time. That is the same way price is going to come back down big time. This is for USO. I was going through and I was like, oh, this looks like a nice trade for someone to catch. You can see traders. If only price closes below the blue line, if price doesn't close below the blue line, don't temper with this market. Where is our BTC? Let's see our BTC. Oh, traders, what is BTC doing? Look at how BTC has been moving. Oh my God. Traders, look at how BTC is moving. Look at how BTC has been moving. Everyone make sure to like this video. Everyone make sure to like this video. And everyone make sure to like this video, please. Make sure to like this video. Let's push it to more and more people. Let's push it to more and more people, man. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video. I'm going to repeat this. Whenever these news events are coming out, they're just going to complete market structure for us. So if you don't understand anything, don't temper like really trading that much in the markets, man. Don't temper. Just wait for the aftermath. It's that simple. Don't temper. So currently we have had BTC drop from up here to down here. So BTC created this fair value gap right here, and then it also created this zone right here. This zone right here, as you can see. That zone was created. You see. Now price comes down here, which is this turning point right here. Now price has already closed above this resistance that was created also here. You can see. For BTC, since it came down like really aggressive this past week, may have price pump back to the upper side. We may just have price continue to go back to the upper side. Yeah, because remember BTC is against the US dollar. Gold is against the US dollar. You see, we've already had these big candles. Look at these big candles. And this is the 4-hour candle. So we may just have price continuing to go back to the upper side. This is the 4-hour candle. This is how it looks like, guys. You see. And also remember, anytime we have this stupid consolidation, you see this, look at this. What is this? Who's been trading like this? This is actually crazy, man. We may have price, come back to the upper side, but as I said, we want to look for the aftermath. Let's wait for the aftermath. This is BTC how it looks like. Let me first check BTC on my monitor here. Just a moment. Let me turn on the internet on this thing, because I always draw more analysis to be sure. You don't want to just base off one analysis, man. When you're trading in this market, you have to base off at least. You have to have more analysis so that you can see how are things playing out here and then how things playing out here. Let's see. Guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. This year I'm going to be more live with you guys. I'm going to be doing more of these live sessions. I'm going to be holding the trades, man. Let's see. Yeah, this is my chart right here. Guys, don't mind me. I'm looking at my chart on my monitor here. Let me see how markets are looking this side. Let's see. Guys, make sure to like this video. Make sure to like the video. I see 90 people in here. I see 90 people. All right. Let's see the 15 minutes time frame. We have a few minutes to go. We have a few minutes to go until we can see price pump to the upper side. BTC, guys, I think I'm going to stay bullish for BTC. I'm going to stay bullish for BTC. We are bullish for BTC. But remember, we're not trading. BTC is not my main concern. My main concern is gold. Gold is my main concern, as you can see right here. This is my main concern. And even before I go any further, guys, so this is my analysis. This has been my past analysis of gold. So gold had broken this trend line right here, from this zone right here. From this zone right here. Someone is saying, can I buy a 4 tokens with 100,000? Guys, man, you see, I'm going to calculate for you how much you would make if price goes to $100 million if you buy it right now with 100,000. Just a moment. So we had gold break this zone right here and then come back down. It ranges and does all these things. Now it's above our line right here. Now you need to understand one thing with these markets, they respect levels sometimes. Now look at what happened. The way price broke here, you see, it broke it with much momentum and it dropped up to here. Now, what makes you think that price won't do the same here? It has come back at the same exact zone, meaning we had a major news event that made price break here and come down here. So we may have the same exact thing to pump us back up to here. You see what it is? That's why I'm in more for the buys for gold. But if price doesn't go in for buys, as I drew my analysis on this, let's see this one right here. I told you price may come back and tap this zone right here. So let me even actually put this right here to so guys, so we may have price, you know. So guys, I'll be honest with you. You see, this trading is like free information. Like you just have to, guys, you just have to learn the hard way. You have to teach yourself. Like one of my friends is in the comment. He's called Klaus Ham. He has only been trading for only 1 year, but he has done a lot. Like he has done a lot because he took the hard path where you have to learn the hard way. You have to learn the hard way. No one is going to help you. You see, guys, you can't trade NFP with $5. First of all, the spread is going to increase. Those guys will increase the spread. So guys, you see, my friend has been trading only for just a year, but what he has done, like I'm really proud of him. You see, he has learned the hard way. You just have to go there and learn market structure. You see, when you make money with a setup, only trade that setup. Like the last time we traded, it was this time. Let me show you guys. This is the first trade we set in the VIP. This is the only trade that we set in the VIP. This one right here. This is the trade that we took. This one. And our take profit was around there, and then our stop loss was above here. This was the trade that we took in the VIP. It was an A setup. Guys, anytime when I see such a setup, why am I not going to take the trade? This setup right here that you're seeing. And I explained to you very well, traders, how do these setups play out? I told you guys how these setups play out. Let me show you. This was a turning point. This right here. You see? And not just a turning point, but also a resistance. Now, since price had pumped to the upper side up to here, like with really much, with a big candle like this, and it was just one big candle, it started consolidating right here. Now, let me put this here. Let me show you guys. Now, you see, price starts consolidating like this. Now, most times when price consolidates like this, what I love to do, I love to just draw out the support level that is created. You see this support level? I love to draw out that support level. Price is going to break that support level and then go back and retest, but it's not going to only retest. On the smaller time frame, it's going to do what we call an impulsive move and retracement. This looks very easy, but trust me, it's very hard because you have to be patient. If you're not patient, you're not going to make any money here. Let me show you traders. Wait, just a moment. Let me make this long like this. Now, this is what I'm trying to say. Price comes, gives us this impulsive breaks, and then it will go back and retrace like 50% of this move right here. I don't know how many times have I seen this, but anytime I see this, price drops to the big time. Why is price dropping? It's going to obviously come cover up all this, whatever was created. Again, turning point, we have consolidation, price breaks this support right here. When it comes back here, it's just giving us like more of a small retracement. I think this was clear on the 5 minutes time frame. Let me see. Let's check my 5 minutes time frame. Guys, I see 133 people in here, man. This is my first live back here. This is actually my first live back here in a long time, in a very long time. Let's see. So let's do this. Just a moment, guys. You have to be patient with me. Let's see, where is it? Okay, so someone is asking, what is the relationship between the DXY? The DXY represents the dollar index. Guys, it represents the dollar index. The DXY represents the dollar index. Let me just stay on the higher time frame. The DXY represents the dollar index. Traders, I think you can just see how price really it quite of consolidated back, like just a small percentage. So if I'm to use my Fibonacci retracement, price rejected this level right here. Let me draw just a small thing right here, and then let's remove this. So you can see price almost consolidated back onto that level right here. Guys, make sure to like this video. So you can see price consolidated back onto this line right here, and then after price dropped. So this is the line I'm talking about, this line right here. So this was the impulsive. Look at this, beautiful man. Impulsive, this is the 1 hour candle, impulsive, and then price pushes back to give us quite of a retracement. And then the rest is history. Look at how price drops, big time. These are A setups. You see, A setups, and this was happening during the New York session. Guys, I'm bullish on gold. I'm bullish on gold. So let's go back to our gold pair. We have a few minutes until NFP drops. We have a few minutes. And also, traders, let's look at the fundamental analysis. Let's not just focus on this only. Look at this. This is the fundamental analysis, guys. Remember, the previous drop we had 100. The previous drop was 227K. Now the actual is going to come out. The actual is going to come out. If it comes out higher than this number, we may see NFP or dollar pairs pushing up. But now you can see already the forecast, it looks like less jobs are added to US economy. 160K. You see, we have 160K, meaning we may see a lesser number here, indicating that we may see every pair that is against the dollar. We may see every pair against the dollar shoot up and the dollar may shoot down. This is the DXY. Guys, this is the DXY. Those are asking what is the relationship. The DXY stands for the dollar index. It just represents how the dollar is moving. So if you ever want to know how is the dollar moving, just look at the DXY to tell you what the DXY is doing. Because most of the time, what the DXY is doing, we're going to have the opposite on a pair like Euro USD. Look at the Euro USD. Look at the Euro USD. This is the Euro USD. You see, we have the opposite. Literally, we have the opposite. You see, we just have the opposite. But again, guys, I'm just mentioning this. We are going to trade the aftermath. The aftermath is way better. The aftermath is way better. Since this is our first NFP of this year, we may even have spikes up and down. We haven't seen those spikes actually of late. Most of you guys actually haven't seen. The times when I started trading this Forex market in 2020, we used to have spikes up and down. Imagine price going down 100 pips spike, and then it goes back up again, 100 pips spike. Do you know what that is? Guys, make sure to like this video. Everyone, make sure to like this video, man. Make sure to like this video. Oh, I didn't share my screen, sorry. Guys, sorry, I wasn't sharing this part right here. So what I was saying, look at the difference. I mean the similarity, but we're just having the opposite. So this is the Euro US, this is how it looks like. And then look at the DXY. You see, we have just literally the opposite. This is the DXY. This is how the DXY is showing. Yeah, I was not sharing my chart. I've not yet switched, but I've now switched it. Look, you see the similarities. And then remember, we're not going to avoid this pattern, guys. This is a reversal pattern to the downside. This one right here. Now, for whoever one, let me first find my small account here. I have a small account right here. And I think we're buying gold, guys. Whoever is saying buy or sell on gold, you are going to buy gold. But that is at your own risk. But for the DXY, it's showing us that gold is going to shoot up. Gold is going to shoot up. So let's see. Just a moment. So let me show you something, guys. I like to, let's see. Triple. Let me show you guys. We're going to even ask ChatGPT today what ChatGPT thinks. We're going to even ask ChatGPT. Guys, let me show you something. Just a moment. Let's first ask ChatGPT. Where is ChatGPT? Why not? Let's ask ChatGPT what ChatGPT thinks. Guys, what I'm trying to say, gold is going to go up. For those that are asking, I see some guys from Measure. Yeah, gold may pump up. Let's see. Hey, ChatGPT. Let's see what ChatGPT says. What is going to happen to gold during the NFP drop. Let's see what ChatGPT thinks. So you can see, it's just telling us what happens when NFP drops. If NFP is strong, when NFP is strong, when more jobs are added to the US economy, obviously gold will fall. When it's weak NFP, gold will rise. Let's ignore ChatGPT. Today's information from ChatGPT doesn't useless. Let's come back here. Now, traders, one thing I always love to do is always ask people in my Telegram to send me the analysis of what they think about the NFP. And most of the time, people send like analysis that is very good. They should send you analysis that is very good, and it shows that most people know how to do analysis. But the only problem they get caught up is if you're taking trades very early. Sometimes you can be taken out by having poor entries. But analysis is very good. Even though it's not NFP, you can still do analysis, like very, very good analysis. Yeah, someone saying that trading with $5, man, $5 is nothing in this market. You blow up everything. You either put money aside and then just put money aside like $100. So you trade that. Don't trade the account that, let's say you have $5,000 in your account. Don't trade with that in NFP. You blow. Use money that you put money aside in another account. Put money aside and trade that from there. Put money aside and trade that from there. Don't put money, you hand money, all of it in NFP. NFP is very, very risky, man. If you don't know how to trade it. You see, traders? NFP is very, very risky. But this is how markets are looking like. We are looking for sells on the DXY. For those that didn't know that we can even trade DXY, we can also trade DXY actually. We can place trade on DXY. When you check the broker that I use, Exness, it has the DXY. You can trade DXY alone without pairing it up with any other pair. You can sell or buy the DXY. So today we're looking for sales. We may see that big sell here, and then we may see our gold dropping. We may see our gold dropping. No, I'm not gold dropping. I may see gold going up. Yeah, this is our pair. This is our pair, traders. Yeah, NFP is a very good news event. You just need to understand, man, the fundamentals. That's all. As you can see, price might pump up. Let me even mark this so you guys can understand. I'm on gold right now. Let's put your XAUUSD. NFP drops in. Let me see. Right now it's 407. NFP. Yeah, let me come and analyze that for you guys. First, NFP drops in the next. I think 13. Let me see. It drops at 4:30 Ugandan time. It drops at 4:30. Guys, make sure to like this video, please. Make sure everyone like this video. Like it, guys. Everyone like this video. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Everyone, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe. Everyone, make sure to like and subscribe. Everyone, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe. NFP drops in a few. Yeah, we're looking for buys on gold. We're looking for buys on gold. We are looking for buys on gold. But again, as I told you, for people that have been in here, I told you if price doesn't buy immediately, we may see a spike. We may see a spike. So look at this. You see this? We have been having on the 4-hour candle. When you look at the 4-hour candle clearly, guys, look at this. We have had this. We have had this big impulsive, and then we have a retracement. We have had again this other one. So we may have a retracement. So if price doesn't like really buy immediately, we may have price, pump back up to like here, and then we can now see that continuation. So for us that are going to wait for the aftermath, we may take that. You see, so if price doesn't buy immediately, we may have first a spike down here, and then we may see price pump back up there. NFP drops. Right now I'm currently in Uganda. NFP drops a few minutes from now, around 20 minutes, 21 minutes from now. So someone is asking about US 30. Let's look at the US 30. Now for this US 30, we can see price has been also ranging for some time, respecting this downer level right here. So I can draw this around there. Now traders, I want you to notice one thing. Anytime when you see these are like breakouts. So when price forms this first support zone, let's see. All right. So when price breaks out of these zones right here, you see this is a breakout, and then I mean a fake out, fake out, fake out. Now price has given us this upper part, this right here. Oh, if you don't want to use that, we can use this one right here. Let's see. Let's see, where is it? Actually, you see, guys, if me myself I'm trading NFP, I don't use a stop loss. There's nothing like a stop loss. Because I told you, when I'm trading NFP, there's no using like a stop loss. Just place the trade. If God helps you, it goes your way. Close with profits. You understand? But if you want to use a stop loss, which stop loss are you going to use? How many pips? Because sometimes we may have spikes. Sometimes if really God is on your side, sometimes you won't see those spikes. You may see price just going one direction. But since today is the first NFP of this year, it's risky, man. It's risky. Oh, sorry, let me focus here. So we have these traders, as you can see. Then we have this zone that was created, rejection. You can see. So for this pair, we may have price again. This is the US 30. We may have price have some spikes in here, either coming up to take out this liquidity up. Let me first look at the daily time frame before I can say anything on this. This is a pair I haven't like really looked at in a long time. Yeah. Let's see. This is a clear uptrend market to the upper side. This is a very clear uptrend market to the upper side. Traders for this US 30. Let me check something very small before I continue this US 30 chart. Just a small thing. Traders, for someone was asking if I still trade prop firms. I haven't traded like prop firms in a long time, man. Those guys denied payouts. Denied me payouts. The prop firm that I was using, most prop firms were saying that you don't have to trade it during news events and all that, blah blah. I wouldn't handle prop firms, man. I wouldn't handle prop firms. Guys, whoever has not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe because trust me, over the weekend we're going to trade BTC. BTC either on Sunday evening, we may trade BTC, man. If I'm looking, let me show you. Let me first finish up with this US 30. So for this US 30, guys, again, we have had like this pump to the upper side from down here. I mean from up here, up to down, up here. Now price creates, you see, this gap here that was almost like really filled. You see, but as price was doing this, it started like consolidating, like coming down. Look at this. In this format right here, indicating that now we may have price probably continue to the downside for this right here. You can see this is what we are having. We may have price continue to come back to the downside. That is what I think for the US 30. Now let's look at another pair here. Let's first confirm our take profit. If you are to take the trade on gold, what would be the take profit? We have 15 minutes until the drop, man. We have 15 minutes until the drop. We have 15 minutes until the drop. We have 15 minutes until the drop. Someone is asking, does NFP affect JPY, Euro JPY? Yeah, it affects it. It affects it. Sometimes where you have like really NFP affecting it like really that much, and other times where it doesn't move at all. Someone said you look at USD chef. So this is our USD chef. USD chef. We just want to relate it with the DXY. So with this USD chef, you can see price is at a turning point as usual. Look at these traders. Price is at a turning point, and most of the time when price is at a turning point, it's just going to clear market structure for us. You can see. And remember, it's only the banks that can move the market. So here, price comes up here, drops immediately, as you can see. Now, price comes back up here, drops immediately. So here, I may see just a fake out for USD chef. We may see a fake out. We may see price, faking out and then comes back inside, and then we see a big drop to the downside. This is for USD chef. This is the daily time frame, as you can see. We may see that spike to the upper side. We may see that spike to the upper side. This is our USD chef traders. I see scalpers in the chat. Scalpers are saying, will gold sell out? Guys, don't put yourself on pressure for nothing, man. Don't put yourself on pressure for nothing. Don't put yourselves on pressure for nothing. Don't put yourselves on pressure for nothing. This is our USD chef. We already even have like a fake out on the smaller time frame, and then we have this small pattern right there. This is like an ascending triangle, but again, even these patterns can be fake out. I mean, they can be a trap. They may trap us. So I expect this one to drop, man. For those that are selling, I mean, that are trading this USD chef, we are selling this one. Just like the DXY, this moves along with the DXY. You're selling this, I can put my targets down here. I can put my targets down there. That is the USD chef. The Euro JPY. For those that love Euro JPY, let's look at it. Yeah, let's wait until the event is done and then we can trade. Guys, let's wait until the event is done, then we can trade. After the event is done, market will clear the structures very well. Market structure will be very, very clear. But if you want to trade right now, you'll be caught up. Guys, so this is Euro JPY. So first of all, Euro JPY, again, turning point right here. As you can see, I already had a turning point right here. As you can see, we have had price, coming in a downtrend, respecting this zone right here. We have had a breakout, and then now we can see price may continue pushing up to the upper side. Guys, someone is saying synthetic indices. Man, we don't trade synthetic indices here. Those are the things that made me lose money when I was learning how to trade. Synthetic indices, they're very, very bad. Synthetic indices are very, very bad. So guys, this one we have price pumping to the upper side for Euro JPY. We may have price pumping to the upper side. We already have this zone right here, this one right here. Price is going to respect it. So we may have price, bounce off here to clear out all that and then pump back up there. For Euro JPY, GBP JPY, most of these ones move the same direction, man. These move the same direction. These most times move the same direction. Yeah. The reason why I'm actually even saying buys for this one, you can see when we draw a trend line from up here, Like this, look at this. You see this? This is a trend line. When trend lines are broken, most times you may see price reversing and going back to the other side. Sometimes. But again, things can change and then you see price, dropping to the downside. But again, today is the first NFP for this year. We have to see. Let's look at GBP JPY. So you can see traders, we have almost the same exact thing. We have price at the turning point, this turning point right here. This one right here. Guys, make sure to like this video. Everyone, please like this video, like this video, like this video. Hit the like button, man. Hit the like button. Let's get this video to more likes. Let's get it to more likes. Let us get it to more likes and more likes, guys. So as you can see, this one right here, this is our USD JPY. We already have, if price is coming to the upper side, we have things that we look out for. We look out for first of all, a close up here. One price to close above this right here. This is a resistance that was created. If price closes above this resistance and then it closes above, we can have a fast push up here as our first take profit up here, and then the other one to fill up this gap right here, which would look like this. From here, our first target would be that recent zone, as you can see, and then the other one, price to come back and fill up this gap right here. This one right here. You see it there. But right now, we haven't had that close above. We haven't had the close above. We need to have a close above here. Price closes above, and then we can be able to take the buys up here. These gaps, always take note of these gaps. We also have, I think we also have divergence here. Let's see if you have divergence. Just add one indicator here. Relative strength index. Yeah, we have some divergence also here. We have divergence, guys. So I think for those that are trading the JPY pairs, we may see GBP being strong, and GBP is only going to be strong if this comes out more positive. If this comes out, I mean, if the NFP comes out weak, we may see GBP going up. But if NFP comes out strong, we may see any pair against the dollar dropping. We may see any pair against the dollar dropping, man. We may see any pair against the dollar dropping. So let's be clear here. But again, you can even see, guys, I've already told you, if you see the forecast is weaker, look at the forecast. The forecast is smaller than this. The previous drop from last time. Traders, this was the drop from last time. We had gold, it first dropped before it went up. Then this is the actual, I mean, the forecast. Then what tells you, don't you think that when price comes back, when this number drops, it may be a lower number? Since the forecast, a forecast is what they think. So the forecast is what we think that is going to happen. You see, this is the forecast. We think this number is going to come out lower, the actual. So that we have chances that this number may come out lower. If it comes out lower, man, gold is going to shoot through the sky. You have seen what is happening right now in the US, man. A lot is happening in the US. We have those fires. We have people like literally, people have lost jobs. You see, people have lost jobs, man. So meaning we're going to see price, acting up here. So traders, this is the fundamental analysis. Fundamental, you have to check the fundamentals. And then when you come to the actual, when you come to our technical analysis here, every technical thing is just showing us whatever I've been telling you. It's just technical analysis, price action. You see, we're just seeing price action. If price doesn't play out today, guys, you see, if price doesn't play out after the NFP drop, we don't just have NFP today. We also have this right here, guys. We have unemployment rate. You see, these are also going to affect the market, man. But whatever is going to happen today, I think price is going to shoot. I'll be honest with you. Someone has commented, yeah, I'm not going to tell you, okay, buy and sell. Like, I'm just telling you what I think of this market, man. There's nothing like being a genius in this market. There's nothing like being a genius in this market, man. And then you be 100% sure market is going this way. No. Right now, this is the time when people are trading. This is the time when people are trading with with too much pressure. You see, you can't work off pressure, man. Success in the forex market is trading a setup that keeps on giving you money every time. You only trade that setup. Right now, we want to trade the aftermath after the markets have what? The markets have dropped. The NFP has dropped, but trading right now is at your own risk, man. It's at your own risk. Let me look at USD JPY. Yeah, that's another pair that I love to trade. USD JPY. Let's see how the USD JPY looks like. Guys, make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video. Someone is saying a big sell on gold. A big sell. Yeah, a sell can happen, but not a big one. Not a big one. Let's see how many minutes are left. Oh, guys, we have 26 minutes left. We have 26 minutes left until NFP drops. No, not 26 minutes. We have only 4 minutes. 4 minutes. My bad. We have 4 minutes until NFP drops. This is the DXY. For those that are just joining in, this is the DXY. That is how the DXY is looking at like. That is the DXY, how the DXY is looking like, guys. Let's see. That is how the DXY is looking like. For those that are just joining in, it's only, I like to trade mostly gold, the DXY pair, like Euro USD, GBPUSD, and then I like to trade gold mostly. Yeah. When it comes to NFP, after it drops, even sometimes before the drop, I can take some trades. We have 3 minutes left. Now, for those that are asking why I don't trade NFP sometimes, I don't like trading it because the spread is increased. You can't even place trades. They're going to do anything to make sure to reduce your spread. I mean, to increase the spread. So meaning you can't place like really more trades on what? On NFP. You can only place one trade. You see, like if I have $1,000 on my account, I can only place one lot, one trade only. Then they will say I have less money in my account. They will say I have less money in my account. You see, guys? So it's way better to wait, and when NFP has dropped like this, the spread goes back to normal. You see, traders? But this is the time when most people lose the most money. During NFP, we have 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes until we have our drop. Remember, we're trading the aftermath, guys. Just be patient. Let's wait for the aftermath. The aftermath is going to be sweet, man. We have 2 minutes left. Guys, you have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. You can even see the timer here. Let's see. This is the 1 hour candle here. Guys, make sure to like this video. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Everyone, make sure to like this video. We have 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Let's look at our gold. Where is gold? Gold is here. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I told you if price doesn't go up immediately, we may first see price first pulling back down here. We may see price first pull down back here. We may see price pull down here, and then we see a pump back. 1 minute, traders. 1 minute. It has dropped, traders. The drop is happening, so we expect price to pump back from down here. Let's see how far this can go. NFP has dropped. We need a pullback from this black line right here. My trend line exactly right there. Let's see how it goes. Guys, I think you can see what is happening. Gold has dropped. Gold has dropped, but you can see price is doing exactly what I was saying. But if it can close below in here, and then we see a pullback. Let's see, guys. Let's see what's happening with DXY. Where's the DXY? The DXY shot up. So let's see if this is a fake out, and then let's see if this is a, if this can close above. Guys, we're trading aftermath. Don't be, if this can close back inside there, guys. Let's see. Gold, where's gold? Where's gold? Where's gold? Traders, be patient. We're trading the aftermath. We're trading the aftermath. There is no need of you. Yeah, this is our trade, guys. So this is what we're waiting for. If price can close above here, then we're going to take our buy trade to the upper side. Yeah, I've already checked the fundamentals. Let me check them for you guys and see. Let's see the fundamentals. What has come out? Guys, the fundamentals have come out. Let's see. Yeah, fundamentals have come out. Actually, NFP is positive. NFP is positive. NFP is positive. You can say NFP is positive. More jobs have been added to the US economy, more than the forecast. So meaning we have to see now, let me see. We may just see like a small like drop before we can now see price go back up. We may see a small drop. Traders are trading the aftermath. Let's be patient. We're trading the aftermath. Guys, make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video. You see, gold hasn't like really moved a lot like those other trades like Euro USD and all those other we have been making analysis on. This is our point of target. This is our point of target, traders. That is our point of target. That is our point of target. If price can come back to the black line and then you can see pull back, we're going to have a nice buy to the upper side, traders. Traders, I think you can see gold is quite of respecting that support zone that is there. Gold is quite of respecting that zone right there. You can see gold is respecting this zone right here. Gold is respecting this zone right here, this one right here. Yeah, my chart is on. Gold is respecting this zone right here. This is my point of interest. You can see price quite of pulling back, but we have to be more patient. We can't just jump in right now. We want price to come back to this black to the black line right there. This is, you can see. So if price can come back to this black line and then touch it properly and then start closing back in, we may have good buys to the upper side. I think right now you can see my chart. I'll put it back. My chart is on right now. Then let's see what has happened to other pairs. The other pairs, it has been the opposite, man. The other pairs, it has been the opposite. Like markets have moved so much since, let's say like this one, USO. This is what we had. USO price went back to this line that I told you on the daily time frame. We may have that. We may have price, breaking out here. We may see a fake out. So since price had not yet tapped this zone right here, we didn't have price, like really drop the way we expected. Price had to first like wait. We had to like wait. If anyone was taking this trend, it would be like better to wait until price, And then remember, I told you guys to wait until price closes below. You can see price didn't close below traders, as I mentioned. I told you if price closes below here, we would be taking sell trades, but price didn't close below. You can see price just closed above and then started pumping back to the upper side. So again, whoever took this buy, they have made some small money, but again, it's not like really that much. We're expecting price closes below here. We shall be taking trades off the US or for sales, as you can see. So anything to do with this, with trading, man, you have to have confirmation. If your price doesn't play out the way you want, don't take the trade. Then price is pulling back. Let's see. Let's first go back here and see if price has tapped into our zone properly. Now this is our DXY. The DXY, if the DXY can come back and close from down, then we may see that big drop to the downside. This DXY, if it can come back and close back from down here. Let's see. Bitcoin has also like dropped. Yeah, Bitcoin has dropped. Bitcoin has dropped, as you can see. I think the fact that price had given us this these continuous candles and small candles to upper side, price has respected this zone right here and it has just come down. You can see. You can even see from these candlesticks right here. These are reversal candles to the downside, but not like really major reversal. But our main point of interest is this gold. Gold is our main point of interest. Right here. Price is pulling back up, but we have to be patient because we want to go for buys, man. We want to go for buys. Guys, make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video, man. Make sure to drop that like here. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Gold is still playing out the way we want. Let's see what happens. Guys, we're waiting for the aftermath. We're waiting for the aftermath. We have 21 minutes until this candle like really closes. If it can close with all this rejection right here, traders, then we are going to be able to catch. Someone is saying they blew their account. Man, I told you trading NFPs at your own risk. You don't trade this. If you're not sure about your trades, don't take this. This is very risky. That is at your own risk, man. Me, myself, I didn't place any trade. Why did you place a trade, man? If you blew an account, let it always be that put $100 aside, blow that, but don't put $2,000, $3,000. You see, NFP is really very risky. Let's see how this gold plays out, guys. I want to place a trade with you guys and hold it. When price is not going back, we're just going up the upper side. Let's see how price plays out, guys. Make sure to like this video. Everyone make sure to like this video. Man, I see 172 people in here. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Someone is saying that about gold. I told you we may have first of all price coming back down here. We may have this spike first before we can have the pull back to the upper side. We said we may have the first drop on gold. You can see, and that is actually what is happening. And this and a funny thing I told you. Yaga is here. Yeah, someone blew the account here. But anyway, these are markets. But can you see that traders? Let me remove this. You see, this is like even a retest. So look at these traders. I told you this. You see, traders, look at this. This looks like a retest after this breakout. You see this breakout. So this just looks like a retest. You see, I told you this NFP sometimes it's just completing market structure. So I'm waiting for this kind of, if this kind of closes properly, and then we may see some buys up here. We are going to buy, guys. And you see, the problem is when you trade gold before NFP drops, the spread alone to take you out. The spread increases. The spread increases, man. You see, our candle is playing out the way we want. Chaga, you're welcome, my brother. Guys, Yaga is my good friend. He has been trading for some time, and trust me, I'm proud of him. He understands the market. He has never traded a demo account. Yaga, he has never traded a demo account. He has been trading live money. For us, when we started trading and learning how to trade, we first played so much. Guys, let's fast wait for this candle to completely close. Right now, if we jump in for the buy, price may start coming back down. Right now you may see it's pulling back, and the moment you enter like this, it starts pulling back down. Guys, you see, when we started trading, we played in the demo account for a long time when we were just beginners. And that took us so much time because when you jump from the demo and come back to the live account, it's like you have not traded. You have never traded. You see, but now for Yaga has been trading with the live account from the get to go. You blow money after things click, man. After things click, you see, traders, things reach a time and click, man. Let this candle close. If this candle closes, we may go in for like nice buys, man. We have 17 minutes left. 17 minutes at least. Let the 17 minutes expire, then we can go in for our buy trade. Then you can go in for the buy trade. It's actually even raining here. For those that scalped it when price was pulling back, good for you. I've made some money, but we want to be 100% sure. Want to be 100% sure. If that candle closes above, it's game done, man. We're going to make some money. We are going to make some money together today, guys. This is patience. Guys, Nixon is in here. Nixon is also here. For those that don't know Nixon is like my assistant. He's my brother. We started together in India. We started trading also again together in India. He's here. Next time, Nixon will be up here too. Ali Bad catches what? Guys, make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video. Yeah, Yaga is a rich man. I've seen Yaga make crazy money. And for those that don't know, Yaga started trading. He started trading like seriously on my birthday in 2023. On my birthday, that's when he started trading like really seriously. So he has been in the markets now for like 1.5 years. I think I would say that. Yeah, we're waiting for the aftermath. You see the candle is pulling back. If this candle closes above, we're going to take a nice buy trade, guys. You see. Now let's look at other pairs. Let's look at other pairs like the DXY. Let's see the DXY, what the DXY is doing. Let's see the DXY. You can see Euro JPY is also pulling back. You see, it's respecting this zone right here. You can see this zone right here. You see, it's respecting it. So these are just fake outs. This is also Euro USD. Euro USD is respecting this zone right here. If it pulls back, we may see that buy, guys. Oh yeah, I'm going to calculate for you. Yeah, let me just show people what the DXY did. So for the DXY, you can see also it's trying to pull back. So if the DXY can pull back and close in here, you see, if it can come back and close in here, we may see our nice sell on the DXY. Yeah, early entry, man. You have to wait for the aftermath. The aftermath can even happen after. It can even happen in 2 hours, like at 6. Man, you don't joke with trading. Trading, you have to be extremely patient. That's why it's only introverts can succeed in this market, because me, I have the ability to stay on this chart. Look at BTC. BTC is pulling back, you see. I have the ability to stay on this chart until something clicks. If it doesn't click, I'll just leave this computer and go do something else. Okay, let me first calculate for you. Let me calculate for you here. Guys, we're looking to buy gold. We're looking to buy gold. That is the only thing we are looking to do now, to buy gold. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is I'm making some money. I'm busy. I'm busy now, man. I'll come after. I'll come after like 30 minutes. We're looking to buy this pair. We have 12 minutes until it pulls back. Let's see. You see, traders, it's pulling back. Obviously, we would have made money if price started pulling back here like this. But what confirmation do you have that price is going to, We have to look at it two-way things. But now, if these minutes expire and this thing is so bullish, we're going to have a nice buy, man. A nice buy. Whoever's blown account, man, trust me, that's just the markets. That is just the markets, man. Okay, so if you buy in right now with $30, guys, I'm telling you, if you buy in right now with $30, you're getting 12,000 Afro coins right now. So when you get this 12,000 and just multiply it by, let's say, 12,048. So if you buy in right now, Afro token, with $30, you're getting 12,000 coins. When you multiply this by, let's say, if price goes to let's say price goes to $100 million market cap, you multiply this times 0.01. You have made at least $120. You understand? If price goes to $100 million market cap, but if let's say price goes to $1 billion market cap, that is already $12,000 that you have. That is already $12,000 that you have. You see what it is? If price goes to $7 billion market cap, you multiply $7 times 12,000 coins that you have. So let's say if you have 1 million coins in Afro token and price goes to $100 million per coin, you just multiply the number of coins, 1 million times 0.01. That is already too much money. So for those that are wondering how I'm calculating that, you come here. Let me show you, traders. Come here. You come to Dex Screener. You come here. Right now, it's still cheap to buy into the Afro token, man. It's still cheap to buy into the Afro token. You come here on the extreme side here. You see here? So you put in here any amount. So you put in $30, you see you get 12,000 coins. If you put in $100, you get this number of coins. 40,000 if you put in $100. You calculate this number of coins times the price at which price will be at. If market cap is at $50 million market cap, that will be 0.05. Is it traders? I think is it 0.05? Actually, I think I did some bad calculation. Let's say 12,000 times 0.01. Okay, let me see. 12,000 times 0.1. So actually, guys, if you put in right now $30, it's actually a lot of money when price goes to $100 million market cap. Price will be at 0.01. 0.1. Now, actually, it will be 0.1. Meaning when you put in $30 right now and price goes to $100 million market cap, you're making $1,200. If I'm not mistaken, I don't want to make mistakes right here. Let's look at the chart right here. This is our chart for Afro token, as you can see. This is our chart for Afro token. So when I pull this, let's see. Just some traders, just a moment. Let me switch this to price. Just a moment, guys. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to like this video. Okay, so we have okay, let's see. Let's do daily. Okay, the highest price range. So, guys, actually, you may have so much money. This was all-time high was 0.01, meaning when price goes to $100 million market cap, price will be at 0.1. 0.1, when you multiply it times 12,000 coins that you bought for $30, you are making $1,200. Please go ahead and put in that $30, man. Go ahead and put it in. When price goes to $100 million market cap, this is the $100 million market cap. Look at it where it is. It's here. Here. This is where this is $100 million market cap. You see? That is $100 million market cap, man. Okay, let's go back onto our chart now. Let's go back onto our chart right here. Just a moment. Present. Guys, are you ready to take our trade? We have 7 minutes, man, left until it closes up. If that candle closes well, that will be a nice reversal candle to the upper side, man. Yeah, we're going to trade gold, man. We're going to take our trade on gold. It's going to be a nice trade, man. Prepare your accounts. Let's see. That candle is almost closing, man. If it closes above like that, we're going to take a trade. You know, we are going to risk around 20 pips. My account is ready, guys. Let me first use the bathroom in a minute. We have 6 minutes left. Guys, I'm back. I think you can literally see what I've been telling you guys. 5 minutes left. Don't worry, that market going up, it's just paving way for us. It's paving the way for us, man. We're in for buys. Our overall thing is just buys. We're going to take a nice trade, guys. Wait, just relax, man. Hang in there. Someone is saying my WhatsApp is off. Man, I have around 3 phones. I have around 3 phones. Guys, 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left, please. I want you to be patient. I'm going to say this again, traders. Sometimes this NFP comes just to complete our structures, man. To complete our structures. And I already mentioned this for those people that joined earlier. When you look at now, most of the pairs have just pulled back. You can see gold has been pulling, BTC has been pulling back. US all is still positive. It has to pull back. It has to first break out here and then it pulls back for this one. Then GBPUSD, it has to pull back in there. Or it will, even though this one actually respects here, you see this? If it respects that, we may see that candle coming back to fill up that. We may see price, like if it closes above this black line, because you see this is a trend line, you see, this is a trend line. This trend line from up there, you can see. So this would be also good for people that want to buy this pair. You can take your trade, put your stop loss exactly right here. You can see. So this is just risking around 35 pips. If you don't risk 35, you can go for 20 pips around there. Then you can target this upper part right here for our that right there. It's around 63 pips, man. Okay, someone is asking, what conferences am I looking for gold? So they are the conferences. Just a moment. Let's see. Okay, now for gold, first of all, as you can see, let me zoom out. And you see, gold has been coming down like this, man. Look, it has been coming down like this. You see? Then it started going back up like this. That's why I think price may first pump back here. It may come and take out that. And the way it's going to do it, we may have we may see this same move. You see how price goes aggressively up to up, and then it starts coming down. So we may see the same thing here. We may see the same exact thing here. Price, pumping up to here, and then when it reaches that part, takes out that right there, then it starts coming back down. That's what I think. So this way, yeah, guys, I'm going to drop a signal for those guys in the VIP here. For now, you see traders with this way. At least you're going to take a trade and hold it and swing it as price is going up. As price is going up, you are swinging. You see, you are swinging as price is going up. You see, you have a nice stop loss. So my confidence says, again, price has been coming down. Now it's going back up, but it has reached this zone. This is a resistance zone. Resistance has been broken and has been retested by NFP. So this NFP that has come out today, it has helped us to use price as a retest. Price has been a retest for us. So meaning, for those that call to the buy, they're well off, they've made their money. But for us, we wanted more confirmation. If this candle now, we have 1 more minute left. If this candle closes above there as a big candle, you can see what candle looks like that. What has pushed price to come from here to up there to close as this big candle? Obviously, it's the buyers, meaning now buyers have really much momentum. You understand? So what we're just going to do is we're going to take our trade, put a stop loss there. We don't want to just take a trade without putting a stop loss. We're going to obviously use a stop loss. However much you are sure of trades, man, don't just take trades without putting a stop loss, man. When you don't use a stop loss, these markets will mess you up so bad. However much you can be sure of your trades. Guys, it's closing in a few seconds. In a few seconds, markets, our candlestick is closing, and then it will be 5. Let's see, sure. Do you see, guys? 17. Okay, I'm going in for buys. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our candle has closed above traders, like the way we expected. You can see it has closed above the way we expected. Guys, you take your trade when price fills up that small gap there. If price fills up that small gap there, take your trade right there. But be extremely careful, man. Yeah, someone is saying wait for the retest. Yeah, the retest actually can even happen. Yeah, the retest can happen. But if you look at how big this candle is, we may have just that candle pushing up. You see, traders? So I've taken my trade. Make sure to use a 20 pips stop loss. Make sure to use a 20 pips stop loss, man. For those that want to wait a retest, the retest can still come back in, but this is the retest that I've been waiting for. This one right here. It has already happened, traders. Someone has made 100 pips, man. Good for you. Guys, me, I'm already in. I'm already in for my buys. I'm risking a few pips. Let's see if market can pump. If price can even pump back up here, let's see how many pips will this be. Let's see. Buys are like, hey, 90 pips. Let's see. Let's see. For those that haven't entered, for us, we've already taken the trend, and price has already moved 10 pips. Price has already moved 10 pips. Man, gold moves very fast, like extremely very fast, man. Just this small movement, that is already 10 pips. Guys, 20 pips. You see what I'm saying? Okay, let's see. Let's not be overhyped. Let's not be overhyped. Let's just let price play out, man. Let's let price play out. Let us let price play out the way it wants. Let us let price play out. If it can give us at least 30 pips or 60, 30, 40 pips, then today will be done. Yeah, and yeah, guys, let's use our profits to buy more Afro tokens. Let's use our to buy more Afro tokens. Price is moving extremely very fast. It's ranging in between 6 pips to 15 pips, 6 pips to 15 pips. Let me see if I can share my screen here so you guys can see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's come here. Let's come here. I show you guys my screen. Where is my camera? You guys can see me. You can see. Oh, where is it? You can see I'm in the trade right now. It's moving very fast. Profit loss, but it's just moving above 20. It hits 20 pips, then it comes out. Very fast. Look at the traders. Right there. No, you can't see my screen. Let me show. Let's see. It's already now in 20 pips. It's moving. Traders, you see? 25 pips. Man, look at that. You see, traders? 25 pips already. Let's see. I told you we want at least 30 pips or 40 pips. You look at that, traders. Do you see that? I told you at least if we can take out at least 30 pips. Let's see. Guys, this is crazy, man. For those that let's see. Where is my chart? Markets are moving extremely very fast, man. It doesn't like really even move that big. You see? Again, if your target is 20 pips, don't wait for the market to take back your money. But if that candle can give us like a big movement to the upper side, then we are going to lock in our profits and hold And hold traders. It's not about just scalping. We don't just scalp here. Let's see how price moves, man. Price has already hit the 30 pips mark. Now, price. Someone is saying watching from India. Guys, let's hold. Gold moves extremely very fast. It gives you 20 pips, 30 pips that quick. For scalpers, I think you guys are out. Traders, keep on holding. For those that are scalping, if your target is 20 pips, don't stay in the markets for long. Yeah, price is playing around 2 pips, 3 pips. If it can give us 40 pips, and we'll be out of this market. And then you can close off small partials and then let the other trades play. We have 52 minutes until this candle closes. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, for those guys that caught it from down, it was pulling back. That was a very, very nice move. But again, for us, you want to have proper confirmation. Let's see. But I'll be at the basketball court like in 40 minutes. Huh? Right now, I'm still doing a live trading session right now. Yeah. Well. Guys, we have 51 minutes until this 5 p.m. candle closes. Hold your trades. As long as you have a stop loss, our stop loss is very tight, man. Another trick for people that love scalping. So anytime when you are scalping, wait for time zones like 4:30, 5:30, 3:30. Most times whenever it clicks 3:30, 30, price tends to move very fast. price tends to move very fast during that time. And then I think when it clocks that time zone here, you're going to see what I'm trying to mean. Yeah, we're now back up. We are back up. So price has come down here to pick this liquidity. So let's see if it can hold. It has come back down here to pick this liquidity. This liquidity here, let me show you guys. Let me see. Show me your trend. Let me see. Guys, it's 48 minutes. The moment it looks like 5:30, we may see our pump. 40 minutes. But let me see your trend. It's pumping. Show me, please. No, right now it's pumping. First, show me. There's around 51 minutes until this clear coming. Just a 15 losses, great. Stop loss is very tight. Yeah. People are saying that I forgot the VIP. No, I didn't forget the VIP. Most times when you are trading in the VIP, we want to take trades that have like really tight stop loss. No, I didn't forget the VIP. No. A few minutes until 5:30. Let's see, what's the time? 5:14. Our price is playing around, let's see. It's still playing around 10 pips. 10 pips around the profit. 10 pips profit. It's just playing in between the. And for those that are wondering how I count pips, most times when I'm trading, I use the one lot size. So the one lot size moves $10 per pip. So any move like this, so if you have $100 profit on your trade, then it means price has already moved 10 pips. Let's see. Nah, bro. Just use a stop loss. We're buying gold. Just use a stop loss, like a very tight stop loss. You can actually check my YouTube right now. I'm live on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. This right here would be our first target right there, which is around 90 pips. Right there. That will be our first target right there, traders. And whatever is going to happen, price is going to drop with really much momentum. Much momentum. Now price is back to floating around. Let's see how many pips are these. Yeah, 20 pips now. Price is back to floating around 20 pips, traders. 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips, 25 pips. Guys, I think you can see what I told you. Let's see how far it can go. If it can push up there, then we shall be done here, man. We shall be done here. We shall be done here. Even my electricity has gone. How in Muyenga? Traders, I hope you're holding. Babe. Holding? No, like, have you closed? Oh, don't close right now. Let me see. So, traders, do you see what I'm saying? We're up. Markets, the momentum is not that really there much, but at least we are moving. Babe, send me a screenshot, please. Nope. Come on. Man, I'm telling you, this Muyenga. I closed on small profits enough. I'm just thankful today. I've made a lot of money, so. You made a lot of money. Guys, my girlfriend is on the phone. She has only been trading for 3 weeks. Guys, this is what I'm saying. Look at that. We are pumping to the upper side. Okay, let's see how much you have made. You're buying me lunch supper today. It's only 681. I mean, from the ones that you're holding now, 60 and 10. But oh my god. Anyway, shall see. Don't worry. For those that are wondering, right now I'm floating 35 pips. 35 pips. Guys, look at this. Let me put on my screen. I told you guys. Are you guys in profits? Guys, if you're in profits, guys, 40 pips. 40 pips. 40 pips. Guys, our target is here. Look here, guys. Our target is up here. Our target is up here, man. Trust me, trading live is not easy. Trading live is not easy. You just have to be patient. Guys, 40 pips has been hit. That was my first target. 40 pips. 40 pips right there. I think price can even push more, but I wanted you guys to at least take home 40 pips. Guys, yes. 40 pips. Let me show you here. Although my electricity is off. What's up with that generator guy? Hey, guys, 40 pips has already been banked. Don't let the market. Long term. If you're trading this long term, your stop loss will be this side. But this was short term. So there, you can see, guys. I've already closed off one of my trade at 40 pips. Let me show you guys. At 40 pips, man. Congratulations to all of you guys. Let's see. Oh no. How do I add this thing? No. A moment, guys. I'm in darkness. Can you imagine? Muyenga. Babe. You need to sue these guys in those Omeme guys. You need to sue them. Guys, we are still up profits. We are still up. If you didn't close at 40 pips, I hope you guys made some money, man. I hope you made money. It was a small movement, but at least it was a low risk entry point. I told you guys price will come back and fill up this gap here. That gap right there, that's the reds that we had, but after price pulled back. But again, there is more possibility price can keep on pulling to the upper side. If it clocks 5:30, you're going to see the movement. Oh, you guys can't see me. Just a moment. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me add this. Okay, you can see traders. Now look at this. You see that? I didn't risk that much. Look at that, traders. We are floating back to 40 pips. 40 pips. I hope you have all made some money. We are back to 40 pips. You can see, traders. I've closed some of my positions. Price is still popping up, guys. If you know, man, trading, we have swing trading and day trading. Right now, if we're closing off our trades, we are doing what we call day trading, you know. But swing trading, we can just put a stop loss there, a bigger one, because you know this is gold, man. This is gold. We want a bigger move, man. This is not what we want. We want a bigger move. Let me put this here. We want one bigger move. Let's see if it's about clock. Let's see in the next 8 minutes, man. Let's see in the next 8 minutes. Yeah, for guys that are in the VIP, man, I didn't want to just send any VIP signal. You see, even just risking 20 pips in on this pair, like when price was just retracing like this, 15 pips will take out like most guys in the VIP. Most VIP, you have to be like 100%, like really sure of the entry is going in that direction. But at least if you have caught 20 pips off this, then it's good money. We're still pushing up. We're still pushing up, guys. If for those that are just joining in, man, I'm sorry. We shall catch more trades over the weekend. We're going to be catching gold trades. But let me see how it plays out. For those that have closed, man, let me see those comments. Let me see those comments. If you have made some money off the buy, this buy. It was a small buy, but again, it was worth it. 40 pips, man. 40 pips. If your target was to make 20 pips, price hit 20 pips. If your target was to hit 30 pips, price hit that 30 pips. And I believe price is still pumping up to the upper side, man. I still have, let's see. Guys, I've already closed off one of my big trade right here. I closed it off with $600. One big trade right here. You see? Now I've left these other small trades. No, I closed one big trade. I'm still holding. Let me show you guys. I'm still holding. Let me show you. I can't just close when you guys are still holding it. Let me show you. You see, traders, I'm still holding my trade right there. You see, it's there. I'm still holding. You can see. I'm floating now around $300 profits, as you can see right there. Yeah, if you closed, it's good there, man. If you closed, it's good. You closed. Yeah, we make money even next time. You don't have to like sweat about this move. You see? Someone is saying they can't see me. Man, my light just went off. My electricity just went off. You don't need to see me. You can see price is back to 30 pips profit. 30 pips profit, you can see. 30 pips profit, man. 30 pips profit. Who's saying, bro, I'm scaring you? Who's saying, guys, look at the market. Look, $700 profit. Look. Guys, are you making money? Oh, tell me. Are you making money? Oh, tell me. Look at that. Look at that. 50 pips. 50 pips. Look at that. Guys, let me see those comments. Let me see those comments, man. Let me see those comments. Do you see what I'm saying? I told you guys. Look at that. Price is supposed to hit at least this part right here. This part right here. If price hits this, then we are done for the day, man. Be closing off your profits, man. We are floating now almost 60 pips. 60 pips, traders. 60 pips. 60 pips. And my girlfriend closed off very early, man. Yeah, I'll do the live. Guys, at least you see, I told you if it clocks, it has already clocked. No, I think 5 minutes until it clocks. Guys, oh my God, look at that. Man, my target was to give you guys at least 40 pips. I've already done that, man. I've already done that. I've given you the 40 pips. Make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed. We're going to be doing more sessions. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, man. Look at this. This is just the tip of the iceberg. When I zoom out like this, you see price has to come up here. Here. You see? It has to come up to here. It has to first come and take out this target. This first target, you see here. This first one right here. You see? It has to first take out this right here. You see, traders? Let me see those comments, man. This one is just entering now. Man, we had a good entry down there. We had a very good entry down there. If you're entering right now, it's at your own risk, man. It's at your own risk, man. It's at your own risk. But I appreciate everyone who has been here. Yeah, we have 4 minutes until it clocks. We have a few minutes until it clocks. My other Christy is back. For those that don't want to see my face, let me put on my face so you guys can see me. Let's see. Just guys, I hope you have made some money, man. I hope you have made some money. I believe in having low risk entry points, man. Always. Let me put on here my handsome face so you guys can see me. Where is this? StreamYard. Okay, let's see. So you guys can see me. I'm here. Cheers. If you've made money, thumbs up, man. Thumbs up. Man, we're still floating blues, as you can see. If you have hit 50 pips, is a lot of money. If you have used the one lot size on 50 pips, that is already $500 profit. That is already money, man. I've closed off another half of my trade, man. I hope you have made money, man. Cheers, everyone. I love you all. We're going to catch another trade over the weekend. It will be probably a Sunday, man. You see? Money right there, man. Money right there. Money right there. And for those that held that position from down there, you guys have made crazy money. For those that held this trade from here, from down here, you have made some money. Yeah, guys, if you want to close off, man, close. But I'll just leave one small position running. Xness is very safe. Guys, close your trades, man. I'll be honest with you, can close. I'm going to play basketball and I don't want to think about these trades. We have made some money, man. Risk-free. This is what we do. No, this is not what we do, but this is God's guidance, man. I told you, when you're trading the Forex market, always ask God for wisdom, man. God gives you wisdom, you can make some crazy money. We have now reached at 65 pips. 65 pips. 65 pips. 65 pips. Guys, close your trades, man. You can close your trades and we call it a day since we are day trading. For those that want to close, you close off your trades, man. And you can send me some on my account number. Guys, close all your trades. I hope you have all made some money, man. I hope you have all made some money. Yeah, close your trades, man. Guys, allow me to go off this stream right now. Allow me to go off this stream. I hope you all have made some money, man. I hope you have all made some money. I hope you're all, yeah, massive, man. I hope you have all made some money. You see, you have to keep you have to stay English is very hard. You have to stay very, very calm. You have to stay very, very calm. Let me first call my girlfriend and ask her if she entered. You see, price is still pumping up. I left small position to run and then, let me see. But did you re-enter?
You always disturb me when I'm taking my trades, babe. Stop it.
Did you re-enter?
Yeah.
And you made some money? Babe, how much have you made?
Just wait. I have a position open that is supposed to close soon.
All right, cool.
Stay on the phone, please.
Yeah, I'm here. Guys, I hope you have all made some money, man. I hope you have all made some money. It's okay, man. I hope you have all made some money.
So far, 700.
700 what?
US dollars.
Profit. I mean on right now.
Yeah.
But we closed.
Wait a minute.
Close
I'm
that.
waiting for 95.
Don't start those things, man. Don't start those things. Someone's just joining here and saying buy or sell. But close those trades and we go out right now. You know, I told these people here that I don't bet. Yeah. No, I haven't did it like for a long time until I found this woman. This is the love of my life.
This beautiful lady.
Yeah. But guys, I hope you have made some money. Have you closed?
Yeah, I did close.
Send me your screenshot, please.
Not so much.
Yeah.
901.
Let me see.
A real scalper.
Yeah, I think this is good for today.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very good for today, guys. Allow me to go. Yeah, this is Wi-Fi money. Someone is saying it's called Wi-Fi money. No, guys, I don't send these signals to the VIP. I don't send these signals. I want you to know, whoever is in my VIP, I don't send NFP trades in my VIP. I don't send them. People you can't send a trade and it has 20 pips loss, stop loss. You can't send that to people. The trade for the VIP, it will come when it has a proper stop loss and a proper take profit. Right here, we're day trading, but the stop loss, if I'd sent you a stop loss of 15 pips, you would be taken out because markets, I think it dropped up like 18 pips. You understand, traders? Whoever was live, someone was live who was in my VIP, they've made money. Someone has made money here. Baby, close your MT4, please. You close it. Where are you? Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, man. Make sure to subscribe. My name is Basil and I've been trading for just 4 years. This is going to be my 50th year in the markets. I started trading in 2020, you know, in 2020. And I love to trade gold and these other pairs. Before even I close, let's first check these other pairs, man, that we were trying to target. Hey, gold, guys, whoever is still holding their money. So guys, look at this. Let's first look at my favorite pair, which is GBPUSD. GBPUSD, I told you if it closes there, let's see. I told you if it closes above that black line, it's going up. You see what EURUSD did? I told you EURUSD is going to close above. It pulled back and closed above this zone right here. Let me see where is that zone. Guys, look at this. Gold is still pumping to the upper side. Every pair. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Now I wanted EURUSD to close above. You can see EURUSD has closed above, but let's see GBPUSD. You can see it has closed above. You see, traders? It has closed above. You see? Right here. Meaning this is all rejection. Rejection from sellers. Sellers have been rejected, meaning we may have another pump. Now, this pump for next week is going to be crazy. This pump to up here is going to be crazy, man. Yeah, man. I just want you guys to win, man. I want all of us to win. I told you this year is going to be another year, man. This is your JPY. It pulled back and then it has come back in, but I think it will pull back up. Yeah. But this is a pair I don't like really trade that much. You see Bitcoin? Bitcoin has pulled back. Let's see GBPUSD. Where's GBPUSD? GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Look at that, traders. I told you if this GBPUSD also closes from here. If it closes above, we may see price pumping back. So price may pump back just to take out all that gap in there. But also, there are 3 pips on that pair. The pair that I look at this one, it is coming back also. You see, traders, aftermath is always the best, man. The aftermath. Babe, are you still scalping?
Yeah,
Don't be caught in there, man.
I'll cry. You refund back my money.
Guys, you can hear. Guys, I hope you all have made some money, man. This was a very nice trade, man. You stick to your bias, but again, my price hasn't even moved anything. You can see. This was our target right there. Price has already reached it. You can see right there. Right there, guys. I hope you have all enjoyed, man, this live stream. I started streaming this 2 hours ago, man. 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago, man. And you guys have watched it until the end, man. I hope you have learned something. I hope you have learned how we trade NFP, man. I hope you have seen how, you see, however much this news event came out, the news event came out, NFP came out that it doesn't mean price is going to go where NFP said it's going to go. No. Sometimes I'm telling you, it's going to complete market structure. It's going to complete market structure. You see, traders? So as long as you have your structures laid out, someone, I think someone called Helen, she said, what confluences did I use to know where price is going to go? And I showed you my confluences, and that was like more of a test for me. And also that was a strong bullish candle to the upper side, man. So that you would just wait for price, take out some small liquidity, and then take your trade, put your stop loss, you see, and then just let price play out. If your target is to make, man, gold is the easiest way you can make 20 pips fast, 30 pips fast, 60, and today we have cashed out 60 pips, man. Babe, I know they have locked you. Okay, traders, if you have enjoyed this, man, please subscribe, man. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next, which will be a Sunday. It will be a Sunday. I'll see you guys. Much love and God bless you. I'm ending this stream right now. End stream.